For over a decade, we've heard the same phrase, "There's an app for that." But in 2026, that phrase is becoming history. We are entering the era of AI agents, and it's about to change your phone and your life forever. Think about it. Right now, if you want to book a trip, you have to open 5 different apps. One for flights, one for hotels, and another for dinner reservations. It's slow and frustrating. But AI agents are different. They don't just give you information, they take action. In 2026, you won't search through apps. You'll simply tell your AI agent, "Plan my weekend in Batumi." Your agent will enter the apps for you, find the best deals, book the hotel, and even handle the payments, all in seconds. The interface is disappearing. Your phone is transforming from a collection of icons into one powerful, invisible brain. This isn't just a small update. It's the end of the smartphone as we know it. The biggest tech giants are already pivoting. The question is, are you ready for a world without apps? Subscribe to Aikido to stay ahead of the technology revolution. The future is invisible. Thanks for watching.